In this discussion, let us talk about what is retreading of tires, whether is it supply of goods or supply of service. First of all, understand the process of retreading of tires. So we have this old used tire installed in a heavy vehicle like a bus or a truck. Now you can see this old tire being fully, the grip is fully used and the tire has been completely depreciated. The less tread that is there, the tire becomes extremely skiddy and it gets very difficult to control a heavy vehicle. So we have to keep in mind that this is a tire belonging to heavy vehicle. So it is not like a two-wheeler or even a car. So buses already they have extremely heavy weight and we also carry a lot of load in those vehicles. So the tire needs to be with extremely gripping. So you can see in this old tire, it is not going to be of good use anymore. So the person who owns this tire will give it to a tire processor or a tire mechanic, and the tire mechanic actually removes the old gripping with some sharp object knife or some other specific equipment for it. And after the old grip is removed, the tire becomes like this. You can see this shiny tire, the base tire that is there, and on top of that they apply or affix the new grip. So you can see the difference between the old grip and the new grip. So once the new grip is affixed, the retreaded tires look like this. You understood the process of retreading. Now let us discuss whether this process of retreading is a supply of goods or a supply of service. Now there are two scenarios here. Let us talk about the first scenario. In that first scenario is, let us take there are two parties. You are the customer, which means you own this tire, and I am the person who retreats the tire. Let's say I am the tire mechanic. So in this situation, you will give me this tire, you'll come to my shed, you'll give me this tire, and then you will say that do the retreading process. And then I will have this new grips in stock with me. So this is a actual product that I have in stock with me, and I will remove the old coating and everything, and I'll affix the new grip, and I will say the new tire is ready, you will come and collect, and I will charge a consideration for this affixing process. So if this is the situation, the decision is this is supply of service, because the even though this new coating of rubber that I'm applying on top of the old tire, this will, even though it is like a product, it is like actually a goods, it will be considered as ancillary supply. The main supply is the process of removing the old coating and affixing the new grip and making the tire a retreaded tires. So the primary thing is you own the tire and the new tire also will belong to you. I just apply this new grip. So this is first scenario, supply of service. Now let us look at the second scenario where I own the old tire and I also retreat the tire and keep the newly retreated tire as a finished product with me. You, the customer, come to my shop and you just merely buy the retreated tire. In this scenario, this supply will be supply of goods. So I hope you understood the difference. Let me know in the comment section below if this discussion was useful. I will see you in the next concept bite. Thank you and bye bye.